So, yeah, I'm not so serious, so you can notice that. So, so what is IPSS structure? So basically, we have what we call by the executive committee, okay, and then we have the regional officers, we have the subcommittees and the coordinators, and then we have the General Assembly, and we have the members. The members are all the clubs, the national associations that join in IPSF, and whoever that joins the national association is part of the member. So all of us are actually part of the IPSF. Who's not part of IPSF here? Oh, nobody. Okay. So let me explain about how the membership works. We have what we call by full members. Okay, like for example, Australia is a full member here. Okay, KNAPS is a full member here. ISMA FASI Indonesia is a full member here. NUSPS Singapore is a full member. Right? India is a full member, one man. And Nepal, Anu, full member. Yeah. Yeah.